This integrated cockpit system is divided into multiple areas: the driver information display and the infotainment system. With the driver information display, you have access to driving-related functions. When starting the vehicle, select your profile in the infotainment system to activate your personal settings, such as radio favorites and configurations. The infotainment system provides access to most of the vehicle's functions via its apps. Just swipe to the left to change pages. Some app functions can be directly performed on the home screen. For example, switching from the radio to media. To open an app in full screen, tap on a zone without buttons. To return to the home screen, simply press the Home button. Dragging the top bar reveals the notification center, as well as the most frequently used settings. Drag the top bar again to close the notification center. Did you know that you can also interact with your system by talking to it? If your vehicle offers voice recognition, press the microphone button on the steering wheel, or say the wake-up phrase, "Okay, Iris," followed by, for example, "Let's go home."